Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Today is a little bit a different kind of a video. We are going to do the garden. So yeah, a while ago our landlord helped us to fix the garden. There was a huge pile of sand right there and we didn't have like a cute, how do you say that, wall there. So this was the idea of making it a little cuter, a little lighter. The walls on the outside of the house are painted. Yeah, and we bought a few plants to fill up that gigantic pot. So that is what we are going to do today. And we are joined with Kruimel, our little baby. I already have my gloves on because we are going to fill up this baby, and then we are going to get in these very big ones, and then we have like lavender and this little cutie here and a little grass look-alike plants. We also got some houses for insects. I don't know if we're going to put it up today, but I was planning on putting it like behind you. So maybe a wall here or that wall. I don't know for sure. We're going to check what is cute. Maybe we're going to hang them up already, but I wanted to start off with the plants. So we got a big one and a smaller one, and this one is particularly for bees and stuff. Come on! And the other one has more insects coming, so they're all also coming spiders. I don't like spiders in particular, but they're going to get in here. But because winter is coming, fall is coming, we wanted to give them a little house. So these are the plants we are working with. I'm going to get them all out of their little box because we thought, just to make sure that the car isn't like entirely under sand and stuff, we needed those. And it is all like cardboard, so it is recyclable. But let's get started with the sand. We have a huge sack of sand. We got a little bit more for like all the pots that we got here around. But let's get started with this. What do you like now?
Nothing.
So we are switching for a sec. The bag of sand is pretty heavy, so Dan is going to put all the sand in there, and then we are going to You okay? So our landlord built this entire thing. Very, very nice. Yes, thank you. And in the back of our garden we have beer from last December. I know we have to get that away, but this is what it is looking like for now. And this is Kruimel's second time outside, but first time that he is outside for a little while longer. So he doesn't know that he is able to escape yet, and that's very nice because the other ones will definitely try to escape. And the neighbors are going outside as well. So yeah, I'm going to get started. So we are going to start off with the big ones, because the big ones, I know where I want them, and the rest I have to just see for a stack. We need another bag of sand, but if we do need that, we're just going back to the garden center and going to get another bag. We do have a little bit left, so I think I will need to just get a little bit more in. Okay, so now I'm just going to check what I want to wear, and I have no idea yet, so we're just going to put them in and see. I think I want to let them know like in front a bit, because they smell so nice. Do you think two there or just around that one?
I don't know.
Maybe around. And then like this one here in the front, maybe.
I don't know yet.
We don't have that much of plants, so we just have to
Work with what we got.
Yeah, we got to work with what we got, and that's not a lot, but yeah, you never know what kinds of stuff you need for the garden, so yeah. Maybe start off with this, and then we always can buy more plants, but then we have a start. Do you like it like this, or do you think that one is supposed to go here and then change it up a little?
I like it so far.
Or do you think like this is better here, and then this here?
Maybe the big one in the middle.
The big one here. We definitely need more sand.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. We're going to the gardening store to get more sand, because one bag, what we already had, wasn't enough. So we're going to get 1 or 2 bags more, and then we're going to plant these or in here or in one of the pots. But yeah, let's go. And we are back with a second bag of sand. So this is the first corner, the second corner, and now we're getting more sand in this gigantic bag pot. That was one, so we got another one, and then we got these 2 that we want to plant. And because we were there, we bought this little cutie, and the pot we got from my dad a while ago, a few years ago I think, and it is, I thought, from Italy. Don't pin me on that, but I thought out of Italy. Yeah, very cute. So this one is going on that little table there, and then I will put this table behind this. So against the new wall with the cute plants. And my boo is helping me because it is a 40-liter bag of sand, and that is quite heavy for me. So if it doesn't fit, it's alright, and then we are going to put it in some pots. Okay, so yeah, I think I have to scoop some out, but thank you. So yeah, let's keep going then. How am I supposed to get everything out?
It's all rooted. You're not.
Trying to get it out, but I'm afraid that I have to rip some of these.
Then do it.
Yeah.
Just do it.
I don't want to, because then maybe they won't survive the winter. Trying to clean just around the holes. Maybe that's enough. Yes.
Perfect.
I know. And then we'll put a little bit of sand around it, else it isn't. Only just a tiny bit in the corners. So. And then I will give it a little swoop, and then we're done. We're done for today. And that is how it's looking so far. We got a lot of stuff more to put in, but I think that it's a pretty good beginning. What do you think, hon?
Yep.
So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and just put something in the comments of what you want to see next. If you like this vlogging style idea, yeah, let me know. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye guys.